So I hope this trend continues, right? We had 5 on our list. 1 was one of them. 2 was another one of them. So
the 2
So the 2 Vaders that we were hoping for most, we wanted, we got, and then there were 2 Lukes, right? Jedi Master for me, Old Man Luke for him, and we both like Honey Bun Ears, iconic Leia. So those are 3. So of the 5, right? Pulled 2, got 2. Let's see. All right, baby. What's next? Here's, you can see a little bit at the top, a little bit at the bottom. That's everything we got. Bottom?
Yeah.
Where?
Middle.
Bottom middle. Okay. Are you using the Force to find the best cubes?
Yes.
Ah, see? I think he's pulling. Yes! Pulling the right character into the right cube for us.
I love it.
Man, it's the music, right? This is such a big part of Star Wars is the music. Common Luke. So it wasn't one of the top ones on the list, but that's great, right? Because commons are always, always good to have. They're the base.
Love commons.
And no dupes yet, so even so, right? 3 pulls, 3 uniques.
So guess what I got? The Magic Force.
No, get out of here with this. The Farm Boy Luke. All right, on his water farm. Yep. Before he was a Jedi, he worked on a water farm on a very dry planet.
Then how does he get the water?
That's, that was the magic of farming. They pulled water out of the air. So, all right. Cool. All right, we'll see what's next.